equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on the Dyson V10 motor warranty. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to understand and maintain your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner, ensuring it remains in top condition. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you access the motor and clean it effectively. Now, let's start by removing the outer casing of the Dyson V10. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located at the back of the vacuum. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the casing off. You'll notice the motor is now accessible. It's crucial to keep this area clean to ensure optimal performance. Use your soft brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated around the motor. This step is vital as it prevents overheating and maintains the efficiency of your vacuum. Next, let's focus on the internal components. Check the motor for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it might be time to consider a repair. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. After inspecting the motor, it's time to clean the internal parts. Use your microfiber cloth to wipe down the surfaces inside the casing. This will help remove any lingering dust and ensure that your vacuum operates smoothly. Remember, a clean motor is a happy motor. Now, let's reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the outer casing back onto the unit, ensuring that all components are aligned correctly. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the casing. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your Dyson serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service. Finally, once everything is back in place, give your Dyson V10 a test run. Check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your Dyson V10 motor and ensured it's covered under warranty. In summary, understanding your Dyson V10 motor warranty and maintaining your vacuum is essential for longevity and performance. With the right tools and a bit of care, you can keep your device running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.